Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Nexus Lifecycle to identify vulnerabilities within your Python application. I have here an application with a requirements.txt ready to go. I execute the command line tool that communicates with my Nexus IQ instance. Nexus IQ is the application which will power both Nexus Lifecycle and Nexus Firewall. In the console output, we can see that a number of components have violated our custom policies. We see some summary values and a link to the report that was generated. We can also see that the return value of this command line tool matches the policy action of failure. Navigating to that report, we see the same summary values we saw in the command line output, and we see that we break it down between security and licensing issues. In the Policy Violations tab, we see the now familiar grouping of components with their policies that they have violated, including licensing and security policies. The security policy here for security high has been violated by PyYAML, for example. Clicking through on the PyYAML component, we see that there are clean versions of it that do not violate any policies. Navigating within the component information panel, we see all the high quality information which our customers have come to expect from us. Thank you for joining me. I hope this has been useful.